In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change size of elements in Adobe Express. If you're working on a design and something looks a little too large or too small. Resizing elements is one of the quickest ways to improve your layout. The good news is that Adobe Express makes this very simple. And once you know where to click, you can adjust images, shapes, icons, and other graphics in just a few seconds. To begin, open your project in Adobe Express. Make sure you're on the canvas where the design element you want to adjust is already visible. This could be anything from a photo to a decorative shape, an icon, or another graphic element in your project. Next, click on the element you want to resize. As soon as it's selected, Adobe Express will show that the object is active and ready to be edited. This is an important step because you need to select the specific item first before any size controls appear. Once your element is selected, you'll see resize handles appear around it. These are the small control points that let you change the size directly on the canvas. They make it easy to visually adjust the element without going into extra menus, which is especially helpful if you want to see how the new size looks in relation to the rest of your design. To resize the element, drag one of the corner handles. If you drag the corner inward, the element will become smaller. If you drag the corner outward, it will become larger. Using a corner handle is the easiest way to scale the element while keeping its overall look consistent. As you drag, keep an eye on the surrounding content so the resized element still fits well within your design and doesn't overwhelm other parts of the layout. Take your time with this part and make small adjustments if needed. Sometimes even a slight increase or decrease in size can make the whole design feel more balanced and polished. If you're resizing an image or graphic, it's also a good idea to make sure it still aligns nicely with nearby text or other visual elements. And that's it. That's how to change the size of elements in Adobe Express. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes a very fast and natural part of the design process, helping you create cleaner, better proportioned visuals with minimal effort.